London. London, Ontario. London, Ontario is a modern, vibrant city trisected by the north and south branch of the Thames River. Today, the Thames is our playground, with cycle and walking paths along its shores. Numerous parks provide recreation, a place to relax, a venue for rock concerts, as well as garden plots for those green of thumb. At the forks of the Thames, you will also find flower gardens, splash pads, the castle-like Middlesex County Courthouse and Jail, which date from 1829, and the London Museum, showcasing London's artistic talent.
In May 2016, the General Assembly and AstroCATS will be presented together in London, Ontario by the RASC London Centre, AstroCATS, and the Society Office. This will bring an opportunity for RASC members countrywide to drool over $500,000 of the latest astronomical toys, while showcasing the RASC to a whole new set of astronomy enthusiasts.
Combining the GA and AstroCATS has resulted in a completely different registration structure, with low daily and weekend registrations available, providing equal access to all General Assembly and AstroCATS activities. On Thursday and Friday, the Canadian Astrophotography School will provide courses designed to improve the astrophotography skills of people of all experience levels. Pre-registration for the 2-day courses is a must, and this space is limited. Course instructors will be Doug George, Christopher Goh, Ken Crawford, Ron Brecher, Warren Keller, and Richard Wright.
GA 2016 AstroCATS will be held at Fanshawe College in the northeast corner of London. This is where the successful 2001 General Assembly was held. Fanshawe provides the perfect mix of meeting facilities, comfortable residence accommodations, dining facilities, and trade show space, all in close proximity and easy walking distance. We now have a newer and better residence and dining facilities.
Our Helen Sawyer Hogg lecturer will be Anne Hornschmeyer, who is the chief scientist for the Physics of the Cosmos program at NASA. Her talk is titled All the X-ray Binaries in the Universe, and will discuss X-ray emission from normal and starburst galaxies near and far.
Stan Metchev is a recent addition to the faculty at Western University, where he is Canada Research Chair in Extrasolar Planets. He is building a high-precision photometric system using small telescopes to study occultations of stars by Kuiper Belt objects. Erica Ricks is a celebrated astro sketcher and columnist for Astronomy magazine, who has written 3 books on sketching the most popular targets for amateur astronomers. Erica will lead a workshop on sketching in astronomy and serve as a judge for our astrophotography and art competition. Tina Pullman is a physicist looking for evidence that weakly interacting massive particles can help explain dark matter with the Deep 3600 experiment, located 2,000 meters underground at Snow Lab in Sudbury, Ontario. Peter Brown is Canada Research Chair in Meteor Astronomy at Western University. His work on all major recent world meteorite falls is widely cited in scientific papers. He won the Plaskett Medal in 2001 for his PhD thesis and was one of very few scientists included in Maclean's magazine's Top 100 Young Canadians to Watch in the 21st Century. Charles Ennis is president of the RASC Sunshine Coast Centre in British Columbia. He has interviewed dozens of amateur astronomers who built their own small observatories and is preparing a book profiling these observatories that will be available from the RASC. The X-Core Planetary Surface Rover Platform is a project of Ontario Drive and Gear, funded by a grant from the Canadian Space Agency. It is a small, 4-wheeled planetary rover platform that will accommodate small exploration service mobility payloads. They will exhibit some of their current hardware, and designers will be on hand to answer your questions. We will also have on display a modest but authentic returned piece of the Hubble Space Telescope, won by Haley Davis and Martin Helmich in an international competition called Ode to Hubble to mark the 25th anniversary of the launch of the Hubble Space Telescope.
Also attending will be Robert Jedicke from the University of Hawaii Institute for Astronomy. Dr. Jedicke is an accomplished asteroid dynamicist and expert on asteroid detection with foundational involvement in programs such as Spacewatch, Pan-STARRS, and Atlas. Also confirmed is comet discoverer, author, and the favorite son of Montreal Centre and Kingston Centre, David H. Levy. David can always be counted on for his interesting talks and informal conversations accessible to astronomers and non-astronomers alike. Over the coming months, we will solicit artists and astrophotographers to take part in an art and imaging show and silent auction. We will collect together a panel of recognized artists to select contributions for printing, display, and silent auction. Successful bidders will be announced at the event banquet. The London Centre hopes to repeat and to exceed the success of their 2001 General Assembly Teachers' Workshop. For 2016, the focus is on helping teachers with their struggle in presenting astronomy in the classroom. The workshop will bring together teachers from boards, resource providers, and knowledgeable presenters so teachers can get over that "where do we start" hurdle. Material and discussion will leverage experience from past workshops, such as those produced by RASCGA. The workshop will include a light dinner and a hands-on tour of Hume Cronin Observatory on the Western University campus.
The Hume Cronin Observatory was opened in October of 1940 and houses a 25-centimeter F-17 Perkin-Elmer refractor, a 25-centimeter Schmidt camera, and a 30-centimeter Cassegrain reflector. When it was made, this refractor was the largest ever built in the Western Hemisphere. Western and London Centre host a drop-in star party every Saturday evening from the beginning of May to the end of August, rain or shine. University faculty and grad students present original astronomy-themed talks, while the London Centre members operate the telescopes, if the skies permit, including several set up on the roof balcony.
Meetings are sometimes loved, sometimes to be avoided, but they are part of every General Assembly. Fanshawe College provides well-equipped and comfortable rooms for hosting the required Board of Directors, Advisory Council, and annual meetings. Food and hospitality are such an important aspect, perhaps the most important aspect, of a General Assembly. Fanshawe College's Oasis Dining Hall will be open for both ticketed pre-registered meals and pay-as-you-go dining. The traditional wine and cheese and banquet events will be served by the fine culinary folks from Fanshawe, with whom we had much success in 2001. There will be a barbecue event at our Fingal observing site southwest of London, with emphasis on a copious quantity of good food in an informal environment. The wine and cheese, BBQ, and banquet will be pre-registered events, as in years past. Folks staying in residence with us will receive complimentary breakfasts with their room. With a fantastic 2001 reputation to live up to, London Centre keeps a keen eye on both the less than liberal laws of our province and the lubrication needs of our attendees. We view having fixed and known locations for the hospitality suites a must. So we plan to offer one hospitality suite near the entrance to the residence building as a formal gathering area with pay-as-you-go bartending, and another in a residence block reserved for the informal, contribution-driven experience we all know and love. If golf is your passion, or if you've always wanted to try the allure of chasing a little white ball over a crazily well-kept field, come early to London and join us for an informal golf outing on the Thursday of the General Assembly. We solicit interest in this event over the coming months, and we will finalize plans around the degree of interest. Currently, the plan is to tee off in the afternoon on Thursday at a golf course near Fanshawe College, and then head off for an informal dinner afterwards. Equipment may be rented for the day, and transportation will be provided. Possible tour options include Eldon House, the Art Museum, Archaeology Museum, Children's Museum, Banting House, Medical Hall of Fame, Secrets of Radar Museum, Jet Aircraft Museum, Military Museum, Pioneer Village, the HMCS Ojibwe, industry tours such as wineries, breweries, and outings in walking and hiking paths that weave through the city and its environmentally interesting areas. For the benefit of those accompanying the astronomy enthusiasts, daily walking tours will be offered on a daily, as-you-go, sign-up basis.
We hope you agree that London, Ontario has much to offer. London Centre is working hard to ensure that the General Assembly for 2016 will be enjoyable and memorable. Join us across the 2016 Victoria Day weekend for more than the fireworks. We look forward to being your hosts.